Okay, we had some problems with our Case 580 backhoe. Both swing cylinders. I was working the dog S out of it, and both swing cylinders got messed up and started leaking. It's original equipment. This is a 98 580L. That's where the pistons sit. We had 6 bolts on the top here to take out. We got them out, and that's it. We had to take the pins out of here, right there. Got to get all that grease out of there and clean it up. And we are going to take these bad boys up to CNC Hydraulics. I think it's in Plymouth, Connecticut. And that's it. Now we're going to try to take out this big cylinder because this one's leaking too. So this is going to be a costly venture for me. But you know what? This backhoe doesn't owe me a dime. 1998 580L has made me tons of cabbage. This backhoe's been a great runner. So it needs the maintenance. Okay, like, subscribe, tell some